Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market today. In this video, we're diving into what many are calling the best neck stretcher for correcting neck humps and relieving neck pain, the RESTCLOUD Neck and Shoulder Relaxer. If you're dealing with discomfort from poor posture, muscle spasms, or even TMJ, this might be the solution you've been looking for. So, let's take a closer look. The RESTCLOUD Neck and Shoulder Relaxer is designed with an ergonomic curve that fits perfectly with your cervical spine. It provides vertical and horizontal support, offering a gentle stretch to your neck while helping to restore its natural curve. This device focuses on the C-shaped curve that's essential for a healthy neck, which, over time, can be lost due to long hours of sitting, looking down at phones, or improper posture. Using the neck stretcher is as easy as it gets. Simply lay down, relax, and let the device work its magic. Just 10 minutes a day, and you'll start noticing less tension in your neck, shoulders, and even your head, if you're prone to headaches. The cushion is made from high-quality memory foam, which gives it just the right amount of firmness without being uncomfortable. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to clean, making it perfect for daily use whether you're at home, on a yoga mat, or even outdoors. What's also great about the RESTCLOUD neck stretcher is that it's not just about neck pain relief. It can also help with conditions like TMJ, and it's particularly effective for people who experience tension headaches or even stiffness from sleeping in the wrong position. The device is designed to gently stretch your neck and relieve pressure on the spine. With consistent use, you could see an improvement in your posture and a reduction in pain, which ultimately leads to a more comfortable, pain-free lifestyle. It's important to note that while this neck stretcher is generally safe, you should avoid using it for more than 30 minutes per day and always listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a healthcare professional. In conclusion, the RESTCLOUD Neck and Shoulder Relaxer is a simple, affordable, and highly effective solution to help with neck pain, improve posture, and reduce the likelihood of tension headaches. It's the best neck stretcher for those dealing with the discomfort of neck humps or poor cervical spine alignment. If you're ready to take your neck health into your own hands, this device might just be what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one.